Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, I'm back for another video. In this video, I want to show you the new beads that I purchased from a company called ABC Bead Supply. These beads are absolutely fabulous. I could not resist purchasing them, and the price was just right for me. I have been looking for this particular green for some time, and I ran across them as I was on my shopping app looking at different bead shops to see if I can actually find the particular green pearl beads I was looking for. Anyway, these I saw and they were very striking to me, and these are absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you that the finish on this is really nice. There's no scraping, there's no peeling. I'm not sure what type of gloss or finish that they use, but I can tell you it is quality. And I will be purchasing some more from them soon. I bought 2 of these. Now, I bought these other green beads. These are actually emerald green. These are made out of wood, and they are 20 millimeter, and they're made out of cubes. Now, I love this color. I'm going to get a great usage out of this particular color. I got 2 of these bags as well. Now, last but not least, but absolutely my favorite, blue. These are called Royal Blue UV Shine. These are also 20 millimeter. These right here, I am trying to tell you, this blue is so vibrant. Very, very vibrant. I don't know if the lighting in here is doing it justice, but I'm trying to tell you, these beads right here, they look better in person than they do online, and that is no exaggeration. This is what I've been looking for beads that are of good quality, cheaper price. Now, they may be a little bit expensive for, you know, other people, but for me, it was absolutely the right price. I got a great deal. I only bought 1 package of these. I regret only buying 1, but I'll probably wind up going back and buying another package. They also have other colors on there that are phenomenal. But because I'm working on a spring line collection right now, I chose these colors because they're in, and I'm getting ready for a show, as I told you in the previous video. So I am gearing up all of the beads that I need for that project. All right, guys, this was another great bead haul for me. It is a definite yes for ABC Bead Supply. If you want more information, you can visit them at abcbeadsupply.com. And you can go on there and see what they might have for you. Again, happy creating, and I'm always happy to share anything new that I am doing and any new product that I feel is worthy of promoting. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon, and thank you for watching.